Now we go to the next step of building a Shopify store, setting up shipping. First of all, there are something you need to keep in mind. Yes, it's important to consider how you're going to get your good to client without any problem, as well as tax ramification of selling item after you have added your product and content and design to your own page. In order to set up shipping, you go to Settings tab. Here you see all the setting page. Just select Shipping and Delivery. On the shipping page, you can choose whether you ship or how much you charge for shipping at checkout. Here you see the general shipping rate, and you see rate for domestic and international. You can manage this rate by clicking on the Manage button. Now you can manage the location shipping by clicking on Manage. You might notice in the Shipping To section, you see Domestic here, where you can change and add a rate. To add a new rate, you select Add Rate. Here you can set up your own rate or use Carrier or app to calculate rate. So now I want to set up my own rate. I click on here. Then I choose to transmit time and price. Shopify offers me economy, standard, express, and custom flat rate. For now, I choose the standard rate, for example. Move on in the price field. The rate really depends on how much you want to charge and how much it's going to cost you. For example, I type $4.99 here. Then I add conditions that are based on weight or order price. Here I take on based on order price. You can add a minimum or maximum price, for example $300, then click on Done. Now you can see my new shipping rate appear here. Then you can create a new rate if you want on the domestic here. Or you can edit or delete rate by click on the button right here. Now go to the international. You can see some of the countries that you can ship to here. To add a new rate, you click on Add Rate button. If you want to set up your own rate, choose to transmit time here. For example, I choose Economy International, 6 to 19 business day. You can actually offer the product for free and charge shipping, or you can charge a shipping rate based on your shipping service and set condition here. For example, you can provide free shipping to entire customer to make purchase. Then click Done. If you want to edit the rate, click on Edit Rate button here. Now, for example, if I want to charge $10.99, type it here and Done. Now you have set up your shipping rate. Don't forget to save. Select Save to save the shipping rate. Note that if you have multiple shipping rates, make sure to order them correctly so that the correct rate is applied to each order. Before setting up shipping, make sure to have accurate weight and dimension for your products. You can edit the weight and dimension of your product in the product section of your Shopify admin dashboard. In the next part, I will instruct you on how to set up taxes.